What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you with another video. You already know what time it is. I got to bring something new for you. It's new to me, but it's been around for a while. There's a lot of people been promoting this particular platform. And if you guys haven't had a chance to come check this out, you definitely need to come look at this thing here, guys, because this right here could be beneficial to you for a long time. All right. Now, the name of this particular platform is My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay. And if you didn't catch it in the name, it's basically you're going to be able to send out information about your business to leads on a 7-day basis every single day and be able to get eyeballs in front of your business offer. Okay. That's what we're here for. We all know how this industry works, and this is what we're here to do. Okay. But before I dive into my lead gen secret, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, definitely subscribe. Definitely hit that notification bell so you can get all the updates and all the featured videos that I'm going to be doing going forward. And if you like the content that I'm going to be giving to you, I would really appreciate it if you give me that thumbs on that like button. And if you don't like the content, then you can give me the thumbs down as well. It's all good. But I just want you guys to be able to at least, acknowledge that we're out here and this is what we do, and we're bringing you different products to expand your business. Okay. Now, I know what a lot of people might say, that, oh, this is a passive income platform. Why are you showing us this? What is this going to do and benefit for us going forward? Well, what this is going to do benefit for you guys out there and ladies out there going forward is it's going to be able to help you to get to reach more of the masses so you can get your business out there a lot further. Okay. And the reason why you need to do that is because you cannot just rely on one traffic source. Okay. There's several different ways to get traffic out here. Traffic is the easiest thing that you can get online. That is the easiest thing that you can get online. But the problem is that when people get it, they say, oh, this traffic's not converting. I'm not making no money. I'm not this, that, whatever. You cannot look at it like that, especially if you're new in the game or you've been in it just for a little while. You have to build your email list in order to see the money that you want to see online, guys. I cannot stress that enough. I cannot stress that enough. All right. Now, what this is going to do for you is it's going to give you 100 leads per day. Okay. Now, let that sink in. It's going to give you 100 leads per day that you can put your offer in front of. All right. Now, those of you that's building long-term or blue chip type of programs, something that you want to get out for the longevity, those are the ones that I highly recommend that you use these leads for. Okay. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because, if you in these hypes or you in these programs that come and go and they're around for 2 or 3 months and then they're gone, I wouldn't risk my potential lifetime leads on something, something like those type of programs. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't do that. I would try to find more of the blue chip type of programs to get people to join, because they'll be around a lot longer, and that way the potential of making money will be a lot more reasonable. Okay. So those are the type of programs that I highly recommend that you use this My Lead Gen Pro for. So just say, for instance, if you're in Cash FX, or if you're in my passive trades, or if you're in the lines of something like power lead systems, or if you're in ClickFunnels, or if you're in things like that, stuff that's been around for a while, stuff that's been proven, stuff that people are making money with hands over fists. Those are the type of programs that I would send out to that lead base, because what's going to happen is you're going to start growing the amount of people that's coming to your actual page. Okay. Now, there's some tips and strategies on things that you can do to grow your business. So if you are a YouTuber, this will be great for you being on YouTube, because this will allow you to send them to your actual video to show them the business that you're in, and people exactly know who you are, and they can get a feel for who, you know, what you're doing. Because a lot of times the sale funnels that are being built out here, they have other people's face in them. They have other people, you know, discussing and talking about the business. So what happens essentially is that the people that you send to that that capture page, or you send to that information, they end up going to sign up with that person, because that person is the one that created the funnel. That's the one that they're seeing. That's the one that they're hearing their voice on. Okay. So if you don't have the ability, or you don't have the resources to make your own sales funnel, then you can also jump on YouTube, make you a nice little video, and be able to send traffic straight to your YouTube video, which will allow you to get people to see what you're talking about and see the business that you're in, and that'll give you potential, people to subscribe to your channel, or that'll give you specific people that will join you in your business, and that way they know who you are. And you can grow, you do two birds with one stone. Okay. You're growing your YouTube presence, and you're also growing your email marketing network. Okay. And people are actually being able to see. And not only that, you have their email address to be able to follow up with them on a consistent basis. So it does not matter if they don't join you in one business, you can send out of something else that you're in. They might join you in that business. That business might make more sense to them. Okay. And that's why this type of platform is something that is crucial, because the cost of this platform is pennies compared to how much money you can make. Okay. Now you can promote this. You can pretty much promote this. Okay. You can pretty much promote this platform if you wanted to, and get behind it and pump this thing if you wanted to do that. Okay. If not, and you just wanted to just promote your mainstream businesses, this is something that can help out going forward. Okay, guys. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that this is going to be by you getting these leads on a consistent basis, 7 days a week, 100 leads every day, that you're going to get signups every single day, because I can't promise you guys that. But the more people see what you're doing, the more people will start to know who you are. The more you will start branding yourself as an individual, the more people will start respecting you as an internet marketer, guys. Because a lot of times, like I said, and I'm going to reiterate this one more time just in case you didn't catch it. When you go out and you use other people's sales funnels, they're the ones that are getting the branding. They're the ones that are getting their face seen, their voice heard. People know who they are. So by people knowing who they are, that means that their exposure is going to get bigger and bigger. But you, as the small person that's coming in trying to get your presence out there, is going to be harder, because when people go in to opt into whatever that you're doing, they're seeing your name, but you have another big leader or somebody who does that funnel. That funnel, they're seeing their name and their, in their presence. So a lot of times they're going to say, why am I going to join a business with you when I can go join the business with the person who created that sales funnel, that the person who has a voice, the person who's making money online. Okay, if that makes sense for you guys. And I apologize if I got anybody offended, any leaders or whatever, but at the end of the day, that is what it basically boils down to, guys. Yes, you can make money with these leaders, some of these big leaders funnels, you can, and I'm not gonna hate on them by all means. I'm just giving you the opportunity, because that's just letting you know that you can do the same thing that big leaders can do if you have the knowledge and you have the know-how. Start creating your own stuff, create your own content, get your own stuff out there. That's how you're going to start getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen, happen 3 days from now. It's not going to happen a week from now. It's not going to be quick, but you have to keep grinding. If this is something that you're interested in and you want to do, and you want to do this full time, or even if you want to do it part time, however you want to do it, you have to be able to expand. You have to be able to get people out there on the internet to see what you're doing and let them know that, you're a person, a real person. You have real morals, you have real goals, you have real strategies, and that way people can understand where you're coming from, and they'll start joining you in multiple different businesses that you're in. And that's how you build your audience. That's how you build generational wealth. That's how that happens. All right, guys, you're not going to just build one source and have one source of traffic coming to your offer or your business, and you think that one source is going to take you all the way to the next level, because it can, but it's going to take a long time for you to get there, guys. So you have to have multiple streams of traffic coming on a consistent basis, and that's how you will be able to take this to the next level. Now, if you stayed to this video, for the longevity, I'm going to wrap it up here in just a few minutes. I didn't get into the price. I didn't say anything like, give you guys that information just of yet, but I'm going to be breaking that down. But I just wanted to get all of the important information out first, because I know what people are going to say if you come right on in and you start talking about this costs this much and this, that, whatever. Okay, now, if you want to get into this platform in the My Lead Gen Secrets, if you want to get in today, I'll leave the link in the description below the video, of course, and along with all the other businesses that I'm in. Okay, then on top of that, if you want to go ahead and get started, it's going to be $60. Okay, it's going to be $60 to get started. That is pennies. That is nothing to the to the power that you're going to gain. It's going to be $60 one-time fee, and then you're going to pay $30 a month. Okay, now with that $30 a month, you're going to be able to get 100 free leads every single day that you can email. Okay, so once those leads start stacking up, so just say if you're with this particular platform 6, 7, 8 months, just imagine how many leads you're going to have built up, because you're going to get 100 leads every single day on autopilot, 7 days a week, that you can mail out to you. You can send an email to your business. Okay, we'll send an email talking about your business. All right, so forget all that hoopla. Forget all the people that are telling you that that email marketing is not the way. Don't listen. Stop. Get off that train of thought. And you have to be able to expand your business. Traffic. That's what you need to be able to expand your business, because the more eyeballs get to your offer, the more chances you have for people to join you in your business. Okay, now you can make money without recruiting anybody and putting money into passive income platforms and things like that, or forex trading or crypto or whatever. I do those things, so I'm not going to sit here and try to bash it or talk down on it, because I get paid from those. I get paid from them platforms as well, and I make a nice size lump sum of money every week, and I have no complaints about that. Okay, I'm just not really big on showing my income online as much as a lot of other people do. They show how much money they're making, this, that, whatever. Yeah, I'm making enough. I'm not, I ain't gonna say enough. I'm doing okay. All right, I'm doing okay. So I'm not gonna brag, and I'm not gonna say that I'm a millionaire, or I'm making 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6 million or 50,000 a week. I'm not gonna say that, because I don't want to sell people on hopes and dreams. I want to be able to be an actual influencer, somebody that's going to be able to teach you and show you how to make money online for the long run, not just for a couple of months. All right. that's the reason for this video. That's the reason why I do what I do. I do it, I do it to help others. The more people that you help, the more, the more beneficial it'll be for you in the long run. Okay, guys, you help people first before you help yourself. And then that way you'll have that, you'll have that intuition to be able to give back to the people that helped you get to where you need to get to. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to put that out there. Sorry the video went for longer than what I expected, but sometimes you have a lot of stuff on your mind that you want to get off and you got to say it. All right, guys, but you know what it is. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Smash that like button if you like the content I'm giving to you today. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. But being that said, you know what time it is. It's your boy Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. I'll holler at you guys in the next video. Peace.